Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper app. If you haven't, you can download it easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. If you haven't, you can create a new account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard of the app. Now, in order to add USDT, you need to find the USDT option over here. If you scroll it down, here you can see the USDT option at the bottom. Just tap on it. Now, in order to add USDT, you need to receive it from somewhere or you need to buy it. So here you can see the receive icon at the top. Tap on it. Now you will get a QR code. You can share it with others and receive USDT in your account. Or if you want to buy USDT directly, then here you can see the buy USDT option at the bottom. Tap on it. Here are the available options through which you can buy USDT into your account. So you can choose your preferred option. For example, I'll choose MoonPay for now. Tap on open MoonPay. Now, in this page, you can enter the amount of money you want to spend to buy USDT. You can even select your local currency. Right now, US dollar is selected. So if you tap on it, you'll see a list of currency options that you can choose from. For now, I'll choose pound. Once you enter your desired amount, you can tap on this continue button. Now, in order to check out, you need to enter your email address. Enter your valid email address and tap on continue. You can fill up your details over here. Once you're done, tap on continue. Now here you need to enter your billing address. After you enter everything, tap on continue. Now here, enter your payment card details. And once you provide your payment details, you can follow the further instructions. And after all the verification, you will receive the USDT in your account. So that's it. That's how you can add USDT in Tonkeeper wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.